Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to Why Community. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that each and every one of us has experienced at some point in our lives: yawning. Ever wondered why we yawn and why it seems to be so contagious? Everyone might be thinking, why? Well, that is why we are in the Why Community. Today, we're exploring the science behind this mysterious behavior. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of our Why Community, and also ring the notification bell so you will never miss out on our intriguing content. Why do we yawn? When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, and the stretching of the jaw increases blood flow to the brain, helping to cool it down. This is especially important when we're tired or feeling a bit drowsy. Research also suggests that yawning might be a way for our bodies to increase alertness and promote social bonding. But there's still much to learn about the exact mechanisms at play. The contagious yawn. Now let's tackle the contagious aspect of yawning. Ever noticed how when someone yawns, it often triggers a chain reaction of yawns in those around them? This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning. Scientists believe that the mirror neuron system in our brains is responsible for this contagious behavior. When we see someone yawn, our mirror neurons fire, causing us to imitate the action involuntarily. It's like a subconscious form of social bonding. Interestingly, studies have found that the likelihood of yawning contagiously is higher when we have a close emotional connection with the person who initiated the yawn.
The next part is even more interesting. Do you think that only we human beings can yawn? If so, then you are wrong. The next topic is about yawning across species. Many animals, including dogs, cats, and even birds, yawn too. The reasons behind yawning may vary across species, but it's a widespread behavior in the animal kingdom. Scientists believe that contagious yawning in animals may serve a similar purpose, strengthening social bonds within a group and promoting a shared state of alertness.
Now we are almost at the end of the video, and there we have it. The science behind why we yawn and why it's so contagious. It's a fascinating blend of brain temperature regulation, social bonding, and the mysterious workings of our mirror neuron system. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow inquisitive minds. Thanks for joining us today on Why Community. Until next time, stay curious for our next Why exploration journey.